Hello. I wanted to show y'all my new dog carrier that I just finished. I made it so that my dog could sit with me in church. And I already have another carrier that my husband bought me, but I'm going to keep that for my vehicle, so I can just leave it there. And then I'm going to have this one. I really enjoy having this one for my puppy. My dog. I'll let you see her in a minute, but I was going to tell you about this carrier. I made it out of the plastic canvas, and I sewed this part on right here. The sewing machine, you can actually sew right onto it pretty easily. I don't know if you can see the stitching. There it is. And I glued this part on because I didn't realize I could sew on to it, but you can. And then you get to a point on this project where you have to glue because the sewing machine won't go in that position. And then, or you can just sew by hand, I suppose. Maybe. I'm not sure about that one. You can on this part. I made this little twisted fabric, and this is plastic. It's like a plastic lace. I think it came from Mexico. My friend gave it to me. And I just have strips of vintage fabric there. On the other side, I tried to make this side, sorry, I tried to make this side also open with a zipper, but it didn't work out. And so I just tied it in here with some ribbon on each side. Right here's another one. And at the bottom, we did some weaving of the ribbon. Let's see if I can get a picture of that. Right there. My daughter helped me with some of this weaving. And then I cut out this little hole because she stuck her head in. She wanted to see me. And then she couldn't get it out without pain. So I just made a little carved out hole right here so she can stick her head out if she wants. She did for a while. And then she decided she just wanted to be in there all cuddled up like she does. You can see her leg. Okay, let's see. Come over the top here. There's my two handles. Pick it up. Let's see if they actually work. I haven't ever tried it yet. I just made it, and let's see if they stay together. Yep, pretty good. Okay. So far, so good. And let's let her out so you can see my pretty dog. This is a vintage zipper, so I had to put lots of ivory silk on it to get it to work right. Okay. And there she is. She's coming out to see us. Aww. Say hi. This is Coco. Hey, Coco. Hey, Coco, baby. And I want to show you something on the inside that I made. So I stuck this ribbon here to keep her baby blanket in there. So she'll be nice and comfy. And I just attached it by putting a knot at the end of the ribbon on each side. And then you can see how we wove this together on this side with ribbon. And on this side we sewed it with the sewing machine. I did it twice so it'd be really strong. And then there's the weaving at the end. And there is my beautiful vintage zip. Anyway, it just zips back up, and then I put this little handle to pull it open. Oopsie, hold on. And then I just stuck a little bit of trim right there, just to make it cute. Gotta have cuteness when there's little dogs involved. And there it is all. I hope that you have fun making you one of these, and maybe you can send me a picture. If you want to know how to send me a picture if you made one, I'll give you some information. Just comment below. Hope you enjoyed this project. See you later. Bye bye.